Bakasana. This is the first arm balance that most of yogis mastered at the first time. To start out from squatting position, place the hands down, hands shoulder width apart or slightly wider than the shoulders. Now bring the elbows out. That's it. So elbows out slightly. I'll place your shin bone on the triceps. So knees is out to the side. Stage one, lift up the hips. Stay here for 5 breaths. Work on spreading the upper back. Relax the neck. Stage two, pick up one legs. Hold for 5 breaths. Switch, lower down the foot, and pick up the other legs. Up leveling, owl. You can rest first. Now, when you're ready, face the hands down, elbows to the side, knees out. Relax your neck. Exhale, pick up both legs off the wall, off the floor, excuse me. Hold for 5 breaths. Come up. Spread the upper back. If that's okay, spread the upper back. Lean forwards. The key for arm balance, you need to be brave enough to lean forwards. Slowly come down. Thank you, Owl.